Hello, this is a video to show you how to dismantle the VTech bouncing turtle. We'll start by removing the shell, the seat off here, but you can also start with the head to make it easier to handle, but I'll show you step by step. So to remove this, turn this upside down. Get your screwdriver. There's 4 screws. Remove them. Underneath you'll find a spring, piece of metal, and most importantly this. I'll show you closer. This goes together like this. There's a little wedge inside. I'll show you how to remove it. You see the blue piece underneath? See, it comes out like this. Get 2 flathead screwdrivers, stick them in on both sides, here and here. Show you closer. You'll have to move this, and also on the other side. You see how it moves? It really just needs a gentle touch, a gentle feminine touch. So be very careful when moving these, don't break them. And so with 2 flathead screwdrivers, stick them in, stretch them to the inside, and it will slide out like this. Next, this blue tube is in the seat from the underneath. You'll need 2 screwdrivers. You see these holes? Slide the screwdrivers in from here and here, and you need to stretch to the outside. I'll show you what's underneath to make it easier. You see these blue pieces? You see, these hold this blue tube from here and here. That's what you need to do. Through this little hole you have to stretch these clips, and the blue tube will slide out quite easily. The last bit, or the first if you choose, the head. The head is in there, in the shell, under the seat, like this. You see, the same mechanism, same method. 2 clips inside this, in this hole. You'll see one of the clips from underneath, but the problem is this. You'll have to get your screwdriver. There's 7 screws round here. Remove this bit. You see? It all comes out. When you remove this, you can just get the head out, the neck out easily. And basically that's it. You'll have all these 4 parts apart. It doesn't need no witchcraft. So that's it, folks. See you. Bye.